that square leg just coming a little squarer. Really likes that onside. And he again goes straight. Fourth six of his innings.
Well, there is a prize for the quickest 50 in this tournament. Shahid Afridi should have his eyes on it now, because he's got a very good chance to set a difficult target in that regard. That was the straighter delivery from Bradburn, but Afridi countered by hitting straight.
Yes, every time he's danced down the track, he's not looked to hit anywhere else but straight. Well, this is tremendous entertainment. We'll have to take another look here. It might just have bounced before.
Well, the spin experiment isn't working for New Zealand, because Afridi is hitting sensibly. He's hitting pretty straight. 4 on that occasion. Previous one clearing the boundary very comfortably, but that one just short of the rope.
Yes, it was always a gamble when McMillan gave the ball to the off spinner inside the first 15. As early as the 5th over, he was brought on. He would feel the pressure, because this is a comeback for him after 9 years. And he's up against a dangerous player. This is another one, high and well over. Second six of the over.
Well, it's hard to keep him quiet, because he is so good on his feet, Afridi. He came a long, long way down to get that one. Bradburn's trying to bowl straight deliveries rather than the off break, but it's not having any success, because Afridi isn't swinging across the line. He's hitting straight.
Already 17 of the over. There's more coming. 21 now. 50 for Afridi. And it's come of just 24 balls.
Well, the crowd going crazy here. That's a target for the quickest 50 that's going to be very, very difficult to beat. Just 24 balls for a half century. The crowd absolutely loving it. Bradburn with nowhere to hide at the moment.
Well, what does he do? If he bowls length, Afridi goes over the top. If he bowls leg stump, he's heaved over the onside. So 6-4, 6-4 of the last 4 balls.
The total cricket sign there saving our cameraman.
One delivery remaining in this over. That's another one. Or is it? Yes, just clearing the man at deep backward square leg. 27 of the over. 3 sixes in that. 74 for no loss Pakistan.